Now remember, in our previous booking we have took an advance payment and we also took a security deposit, so where do these two amounts go? Let's start by going to the income and sales section. First, let's click on the credit note. You will find our booking with the same reference number. The system created a credit note number as well. You will see the amount that we collected. Here you can see the details, and the status of the credit note, which is awaiting refund. We can allocate the credit note amount right now, and automatically to the unpaid and related booking invoices. Or we can leave the credit note until the end of the booking, and when we want to close the contract. By then we check for any violations, fees, or any other charges. Or even add them. The end we allocate the credit note to the new invoices of those charges and fees. Alright, so this is regarding the credit note. And let's keep it until end of the booking. After we add traffic violations, and close the contract. Now, how about the advance payment? Let's go to Invoices under Income and Sales section. We can see again here our booking. And again the system will automatically generate a new invoice number. Our total booking amount is 844 dirham, the outstanding amount is 344 dirham. Because we have charged the customer 500 dirham as advanced payment. Let's click to check the invoice details. And if we go a little bit down, you'll find the booking dates, total amount, etc. This is the advanced payment. These are the details of the invoice. And here is the outstanding amount. The overall status of the invoice is a partial paid. Generally, the invoice status is either not paid, partially paid, or it's fully paid. Now let's add a payment as an example. Adding a payment is very simple. We just click Add Payment. We can select which payment method. We can have cash that goes to the office, or we can have by credit card, or debit card. Let's say cash to go to the office safe. For example, this is the outstanding amount. How much we want to pay. Let's say we want to pay this time 100 dirhams. So the new outstanding amount will be 244. Let's enter 100.2. Click Submit. So now we have a new payment generated in addition to the advance payment of 500 dirhams. Now let's see the outstanding amount became 244 dirhams. And still the invoice status is partial, alright. So now if we want to change the status to fully paid, we can simply add another payment. We enter the total due amount 244, submit. Oh, we need to select, let's say, cash. Automatically outstanding amount changes to 0. Alright then. Rydezilla system allows you to have as much payments as you want, 2, 3, 4, 10. There is no limitation. Now you can notice the payment status has changed to paid and the outstanding amount is 0. We can go back to revenue. This is also where does the payment reflect. Now for the same booking number we have different revenues. Here is our booking number, which ends with 007. We have the advance payment of 500. Then we have the other payments. Please note that any invoice or partial invoice that is not paid is not recognized as revenue. Only after the due amount is paid you can see it as revenue. You can click the details and download the PDF as well. The payments are also reflected in your accounting dashboard. Let's scroll down to latest income and you can see the latest income, 500, 100, and 244 dirhams. So you have all the payments, all the figures, and will be reflected almost everywhere. In your accounting, your booking, customer details, the car, as well as in your bank and cash accounts. Let's go to the office cash and open the details. We'll find the revenue of 244 and 100 reflected in the transactions of the office cash. So this is the payment case, and regarding the credit note transactions, we will cover it when we do the contract closure. Please note that you can print both credit note and invoices. In case you need to give a stamped or signed copies to your customer, and it is very simple to do that as we can see now.